Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Comparing integers in Java is actually super simple once you see the logic. Let's break down these 3 conditions to find the right answer fast. First, look at the variables computed and entered. Since they are both declared as primitive int types, we must use standard operators that work directly with numerical values in Java. Statement 1 uses the not equals operator, which is perfect for comparing 2 primitive integers. Statement 2 also works because it simply negates a standard equality check using the exclamation point. Statement 3 fails because primitive ints are not objects and lack an equals method. This makes option D the final winner for this problem.
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush by watching signs. Always trust given types and check your steps.